All right, we got a no cool call here. We've been to this house several times. Customer's pretty sharp actually. And he has determined that the outdoor fan will not run. So we're just going to take the meter, the 8-in-1 and the wiring tool down here and take a look and see whether we got a fan motor to replace or get lucky and it's just the capacitor. But like I say, he's pretty sharp, so he's already determined what's going on with me on the phone. So let's open it up and see what we see. All right. Well, the puffed up capacitor is an obvious situation. And we're getting nothing. No compressor, no fan. So, let's get one in here. Yellow is hermetic. And yellow is rusted on there too. So obviously the brown is fan. Well, this thing's a little puffy, and it is, good Lord, a 50 by 5. Now, I just would not expect, it's a 3-ton. I just don't think that's right. Assembled in Mexico. I just don't know enough about Goodman's to know if that's likely to be the factory one or not, but as far as the brand and all goes, but 50 by 5, I just don't think that's right. I would think a 45 by 5. Good Lord. If we can look it up some kind of way. It's not going to be on here. It's just going to show the capacitor is all. Right in my ear next door here to me. Let's see if we can hook this thing up. Takes a 50. All right. I was lucky to catch anybody in the office, so I didn't have to fool with this myself. But yeah, it takes a 45, so somebody's put that 50 on there. And not only did I find recently some 45 by 5s that are not big and fat, so they'll fit in those ICP brackets and other brackets that, you know, we don't want to have to make one over. Of course, this one's adjustable. We could have put anything in there. But made in USA. So we may give that as an option on a lot, but on this customer here, which we're sure he's not going anywhere, we're we're going to go ahead and do what we know is best.
That capacitor again? Yeah, I should say.
That's what I hope.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to go ahead and cut it on?
Let's turn it off, I believe.
No, on.
Turn it on now.
Alright, let's see. There we go. Let's get the door back on it. Alright, he's a pretty good customer to have, and so he went into the basement to turn it on just so we could make sure that it comes on. But we heard the compressor and the fan fire up when we replaced this. So, tell you what, there's no better customer to have than one that has 3 old Goodmans. So, that's what we call job security. We'll fix them and patch them and until it's time for them to go, and we'll change them out then. So, must be on the 5-minute delay. Waiting on it to fire up. Okay. He's up and running. Now, the reason for the cap and go today is, like I said, he's a regular customer, and he is due for his biannual, not yearly, but twice yearly, about 3 weeks, just right after October the 1st is when we do his fall service, and he absolutely will have it no other way. He wants us out here twice a year to do a complete check and clean and flush the drains, check the burners, everything. Same thing in the spring, come out, rinse out the coils. He pays us for it. He's the type that he wants the maintenance done whether you need it or not. So, nice customer to have. And then, like I said, he's got 3 old Goodmans, and he plans to stay there. So what better customer is there? You take care of the Goodmans until they kick the bucket, and then they, you know, most times will buy the new ones from you if you've taken care of them. So I'm pretty sure that we're doing the right thing nursing that customer. We take really good care of him. They do get special pricing on everything because they're on our regular maintenance plans. The fact that we're there twice a year means that if he has an emergency, there's no service fee or no truck fee. We just charge him for the repair. So anytime he needs us, we come straight over, and it, you know, saves him somewhere between $65 and $90. It just depends. Our service rates vary for a lot of different variables, but nonetheless, got him going. I don't know who in the world put a 50 capacitor on the machine, but it's supposed to have a 45 by 5, so we put the right one on it. So we got a few more today. Let's keep going. Thanks for watching.